I have been working diligently on the Lunar module, intelligent interactive virtual museum. As you can see, I've got two types of dots. I've got red ones and I've got green ones. Now, one of the things before I talk about the red and the green, I want to talk about how I fixed a problem with the blurring over, like computer activity, verb light. You see how sometimes these buttons blend together and you have issues with that. Well, I fixed that problem and I fixed the zoom problem. So if we zoom in now and we go up, these buttons are separated so much that they actually work. So I can pinpoint everything here. The other thing I wanted to talk about was I have the green dots, which are like the normal ones, and then I have the red dots, which are much simpler. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to check out, go to, I'll have this link out on this video, and I want you to click on the green dot and then come back and then click on the red dot. And if you leave your comment on which one you like better, that will go into it. And also, if you get a lot of your friends to like your opinion on the green dot or the red dot, I'll make a shout out for you. Don't forget to come down and down on this corner to get onto our site, to like our site, and also to follow our site. Thanks again, and just wait till next week.